Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 different methods that you can use to start earning a passive income. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 different methods that you can use to start earning a passive income. But before I go any further into this video, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. And also, if this is your first time here, I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos, because that's what this channel is all about, providing you guys different methods that you can use to start earning money online, so you don't have to work at a regular 9-to-5 job for the rest of your life. Okay, so with that being said, let me just jump right into the topic of this video. So let me first start off by explaining what a passive income is, because some people seem to get confused about what a passive income really is. Some people might think that a passive income is just something that you just do one time, you sit back and you start collecting money. But let me just clarify a little bit more about how you can earn a passive income. So in order to earn a passive income, you need to be active. Now, what I mean by this is that whatever method that you're using to earn a passive income, you need to actively be promoting your product or service that you're using to earn a passive income. So for example, if your passive income method is selling online courses, you need to be actively promoting your course, maybe posting Facebook ads or creating content such as YouTube videos where you're delivering value based around the course that you're selling. So you need to be actively promoting your product or service in order to earn a passive income. Because if you're not doing this, then people aren't gonna really know that you're selling a product or a service. So I hope that clears things up when it comes to earning a passive income. Now, let me talk about a couple of different methods that you can start using to earn a passive income. So the first method that you can get started with is by selling stock photos. So if you've ever done an image search on Google where you're looking for a photo to use, then chances are you've seen photos that show up that have watermarks over them. And if you ever want to use that photo without the watermarks, you would have to pay for the rights in order to use that photo. Now you can earn money by selling the rights to photos that you take and you upload onto a website called Shutterstock. Now what Shutterstock does is it pays you every time somebody buys the rights to use your photo. And every time you earn money, it's called royalties. So in order to get started with this method, all you have to do is just simply take good quality pictures. You don't even have to have a professional camera. All you need is maybe a good camera phone, like an iPhone, to take good quality pictures. Then what you do is you go to a website called Shutterstock, and then you sign up to become a contributor. If you're curious about how it works, they explain it on the website right there. You just upload your image, and then once people buy the rights to use your image, then that's when you start to make royalties. Now the reason why this is a good way to earn a passive income is because you can sell the same photo over and over and over again if people are willing to buy the rights for that photo. Now the cool thing about Shutterstock is that it's not only limited to photos. You can also upload stock music, stock footage, and even vector art. So if you can create any of this content, then you can upload it to Shutterstock, and then you can make a passive income by selling that same content over and over and over again. But when it comes to Shutterstock, people usually come to this website for stock photos that include business, sports, nature scenery. So if you can take good quality photos of these categories, then people are more likely to buy these photos from you. So that's the first method to earn a passive income. Now, the second way that you can earn a passive income is by selling courses. So if you have a knowledge or a particular skill that you can teach somebody, then this is a great way to earn a passive income. You can do this by selling online courses. So a great website where you can sell your courses is called teachable.com. So in order to get started, it's pretty simple. You just go to teachable.com, you sign up to become a teacher, and you upload your online course. So since this is going to be an online course, it is going to be video based. So if you're not comfortable being on camera, there's other ways that you can do this. For example, you can just record your computer screen, and then you can just record your voice talking over your computer screen where you're showing somebody how to do something step by step. Now, most people who upload courses onto Teachable, they have a playlist where they're showing somebody how to do something step by step, like video 1, video 2, video 3, etc. So, like I mentioned, if you know people are willing to pay for a certain skill that you have or some knowledge that you know, you can definitely make a passive income using this method. I just want to give you guys an example of what you can earn with Teachable. Let's say your course is showing somebody how to build a website step by step. You can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 for this course. Let's say you're charging maybe $200 for this course. If you get 10 people to enroll into your course in a month, that's enough to earn a full-time income. So I just want you guys to think about that for a second. This is a great way not only to earn a passive income, but also a full-time income. So let me talk about the third way that you can earn a passive income. So maybe you guys already heard about this method before, and because a lot of people are already doing it. This is a method that is nothing new. It's been around for a while, but it's still very profitable. And this is affiliate marketing. Now this is in my personal opinion, the best way to earn a passive income. The reason why is because there's a low barrier of entry in order to get started with affiliate marketing. I mean, you can get started with affiliate marketing today. So if you're not aware what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link, which is called an affiliate link. And whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they buy the product that you're promoting, then you earn a commission. Now the reason why this is the best way to get started if you're new to making money online is because you don't have to worry about inventory. You don't worry about shipping anything out. All you do is just focus on getting people to the product that you're promoting. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, I mean, you can get started for free basically, but if you're looking to grow and scale a business, there is going to be some investment involved. But just to give you guys some free programs that you can get started with, I mean, there's Amazon Associates, which I'm pretty sure everybody's heard of Amazon. They have an affiliate program that you can get started with. So basically any product that Amazon has on their website, you can promote it as an affiliate product. And then another good program too is called clickbank.com. Now, ClickBank is also free to get started, and they have a wide variety of different products that you can promote. Now, when it comes to earning commissions, Amazon is known to pay very low commissions, anywhere between 2 to 6% of a commission to you. Now, ClickBank pays a lot more. It depends on the product that you're promoting. They can pay anywhere between 12 to 40% depending on the product that you're promoting. But I would recommend, if you're looking to grow and scale a business with affiliate marketing, to invest some time in researching some high-ticket affiliate programs. Now, when I say high-ticket affiliate programs, this is going to be something that's going to pay you $100 and up for a commission. Now, this is how you can earn 6 figures a year using affiliate marketing. Now, don't get me wrong, there is a lot that goes into affiliate marketing, such as building a landing page, creating an autoresponder sequence, setting up your sales funnel. And if you guys want more information on how to get started with affiliate marketing, I've done videos on that in the past. And if you want to check them out, I'll leave a link in the cards up here or up here if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing. And I'm also going to leave a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Blueprints, which basically is like a guideline to become successful with affiliate marketing. You can check that out down in the description. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you got some kind of value from it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you want my personal recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.